Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, brothers and sisters. This is Masjid-e-Khaleel, Davie, Florida. As you know, Alhamdulillah, we purchased the land about 5 years ago, 6 years ago, and since day one we have been praying in this building, as you see it now. This is the it's Masjid-e-Khaleel. I'll give you an inside tour, but just now I need to just show you what work is taking place right now. Is that we're having a general cleanup of the trees. Many trees are being trimmed. We have a lot of trees, and this is all the work that is going on. I'm trying to get it so that you can see it. We have about 4.5 acres of land, a lot of trees. This is our front entrance on Davie Road. You can see that we have date palms, and we have many other types of palms. So I'm showing you the area in the back of the masjid. Inshallah, when Allah gives us the ability, we're going to start building the masjid. If you go on our website, you will see the plans for the masjid, and we're going to have a small shopping plaza in the front also, so you can see all that on our website. And our website is masjid-e-khaleel.org, masjid-e-khaleel.org, so it's not very hard to remember. This is all that you're seeing is the land, and this is all the trees that are being trimmed at this moment in time. A lot of work is taking place, and as you can see now, I'm going ahead to show you some parts of the land. This is a cleanup taking place. We have had to trim a lot of trees. We have some very interesting plants also here. We have a lot of bamboo, as you can see, different types of bamboo. They just have been cleaning all this back area, which we are going to use for a picnic. So you can see the men are still working. They're trying to clear up. This is the bamboo that you're seeing. We have a lot of bamboo, mashallah. We have a lot of plants. And I'm going to show you something very interesting. This bamboo here, right in front of us, is Malaysian bamboo. They call it Malaysian bamboo. It doesn't go that tall, but that's the size it grows. And we have some of these plants here also. We have these trees here. So this area will be the picnic area soon. Some of it's all paved, just having it cleaned. And this area is going to be used for the picnic. So the guys are working here. Our land goes beyond and above, so we have about 4.5 acres. Please visit us on our website. It's masjid-e-khaleel.org. And as I said, if you're in the area, if you are traveling to Fort Lauderdale or Miami, please come and see this beautiful landscaped area of the masjid. Inshallah, soon we will have a masjid, we have the plans of it on our website. So make dua also, inshallah, and help us. Jazakumullah. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Work is still going on in Masjid-e-Khaleel. This is a view of what they've been doing all day. Now, mashallah, the garden in the back and all that is coming into the picnic area. You can see also, and they've cut all these trees here. They're still working.